Welcome back everyone. So how you can change your desktop icon size, okay? You can currently see my desktop icon size, okay? How can I make them small and make them larger, okay? So that's it. We can start the video, okay? So right click on your computer or desktop, okay, right click on your desktop and you can see the first option, view, okay. You can see here we have three options: large icon, medium icon and small icon. Currently I have selected medium icon. You can select small icon. When you select small icon, the all icon becomes small, okay. And also you can make them larger, okay. You can see, okay. And I'm going to currently make them medium again, okay. So that's it for today and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Bye.